Meaning of greening.
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 Greening. Greening refers to the process of making something more environmentally friendly or sustainable. It involves taking steps to reduce the negative impact that human activities can have on the natural world, such as reducing pollution and waste, preserving natural habitats, and promoting renewable energy sources. The ultimate goal of greening is to create a healthier planet for future generations. The results of successful greening initiatives can be far-reaching and long-lasting. For example, they can help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve air and water quality, and protect biodiversity. Greening can also create new economic opportunities, such as in the development of clean technologies and sustainable agriculture practices. Overall, greening is essential for achieving a more sustainable and resilient future for all.